Welcome back, Scoop Buddies. Today, we're diving deep into the world of technology and education as we explore the top 5 Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, for computer science. Computer science is at the forefront of innovation and technology, and what better place to study it than at the prestigious IITs in India? These institutes have been setting benchmarks in education and research for decades. Let's jump right into it. Before we dive into our countdown, let me remind you that these rankings are based on various factors including faculty expertise, research output, infrastructure, and student opportunities. So, without further ado, let's begin our countdown of the top 5 IITs for computer science in India. Coming in at number 5, we have Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee. Was established in 1847 and is the 7th IIT recognized as an institution of national importance. IIT Roorkee is accredited by NAAC and approved by AICTE and UGC. IIT Roorkee is a public technical research university located in Uttarakhand. IIT Roorkee is the oldest technical institution in Asia that was given university status in 1949 and has ranked 5 by the NIRF 2023 under the engineering category. IIT Roorkee boasts a rich history of academic excellence. Its computer science department offers a wide array of courses and research opportunities, making it a hot spot for aspiring tech enthusiasts. Moving on to number 4 on our list. Founded in 1959, the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur is one of the most prestigious institutes established by the Indian government. IIT Kanpur offers various courses across 5 different fields at the undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral levels. As per the NIRF ranking 2023, IIT Kanpur is ranked 3 by the NIRF under the engineering category. The institution is also ranked 3 by India Today 2023 under engineering, government, and engineering categories. Securing the 3rd spot on our list is Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, more popularly known as IIT Delhi, is one of the most prestigious universities in India. IIT Delhi is ranked 2nd by the NIRF 2023 under the engineering category, 1st by India Today 2023 under the engineering category, and 1st by the India Today 2023 under the engineering, government, category. IIT Delhi is popular for its flagship programs, i.e. M.Tech and B.Tech courses. Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, IIT Delhi, through various departments and schools of study, offers UG, PG, and various other courses to students. IIT Delhi is also ranked 197 internationally by the QS World University Rankings 2024. It is one of the 23 IITs present in India. Climbing up to our number 2 spot, we have established in 1958, the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, also known as IIT Bombay or IIT Mumbai, is the first public college to have laid its foundation stone with assistance from UNESCO. In 1961, it was declared as an institute of national importance by the Parliament of India. It has also been declared a deemed university and is autonomous in nature. IIT Bombay is ranked 3 by NIRF 2023 under the engineering category, 2 by India Today 2023 under the engineering category, and 2 by India Today 2023 under the engineering, government, category. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is none other than IIT Madras. Topping our list with its stellar faculty and research output, IIT Madras offers a holistic approach to computer science education. Its strong focus on practical learning and industry exposure prepares students for real-world challenges. IIT Madras has been consistently ranked 1 by the NIRF rankings in 2023 for the 4th time in a row. Internationally, IIT Madras was ranked 285 in the QS World University Rankings 2024 and 250 in the QS World University Rankings of 2023. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 IITs for computer science in India. Whether you are dreaming of building the next big tech startup or diving into ND-breaking research, these institutes have got you covered. Thanks for watching, Scoop Buddies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep scooping.